Hello students, I hope you all are doing well. Today we're gonna study chapter number 9 of English grammar, which is Subject-Verb Agreement. So without wasting much time, let's start the chapter. Let's see some sentences. A rabbit plays in our garden every day. Two rabbits play in our garden every day. Notice how the verb changes in these sentences. In the first sentence, the subject, a rabbit, is singular and occurs with the verb plays. In second sentence, the subject, two rabbits, is plural and is used with the verb play. This is called subject-verb agreement. Singular subject takes singular verb and plural subject takes plural verb. To make a verb singular, we add s at the end of the verb, but the verb stays the same in its plural form. Let me make it more clear to you all with the help of examples. The cat chases the rat. In this sentence, cat is a singular noun. And to make the verb singular, we have added s at the end of the verb chase. Let's see another example. The cats chase the rat. In this sentence, cats are plural noun. And we have used plural verb, which is chase. As you all know, the verb stays same in its plural form, so there is no modification in the verb chase. It's remain as it is. There are few rules of subject-verb agreement, which we will study one by one. First rule is verbs used in the simple past tense without any helping verbs remain the same for both singular as well as plural subject. For example, the police officer talked to me. Let's see another example. The police officers talked to me. As you all can see, in the first sentence, police officer is a singular noun. But in the second sentence, police officers is a plural noun. But in both these sentences, we have used the same verb, talked. Let's move to the another rule of subject-verb agreement, which is when the subject of a sentence has two or more nouns or pronouns connected by and, we use the plural form of the verb. For example, Neha and Riya play football together. In this sentence, there are two nouns, Neha and Riya. So we have used plural verb. Let's see another sentence. You and I do the same work. In this sentence also, you can see there are two pronouns. First is you and second is I. That is why we have used the plural verb, which is do. Let's move to the another rule of subject-verb agreement, which is when there is one subject and more than one verb, the verb throughout the sentence have to agree with the subject. For example, roses grew in all climates but thrive in a warm climate. In this sentence, we have used a plural noun, which is roses, and that is why we have to use plural verb throughout the sentence. The rose grows in all climates but thrives in a warm climate. In the sentence, as you all can see, we have used singular noun which is rose, and that is why we have used singular verb which is grows and thrives in this sentence. Let's see another rule of subject-verb agreement, which is we use a singular verb with units of distances, periods of time, sums of money, etc. For example, 3 kilometers is too far to walk. 10 rupees is what I am going to pay for this. Let's move to the another rule of subject-verb agreement, which is we use singular verbs with uncountable nouns such as money, information, water, beauty, sugar, and love. For example, a lot of money is donated by my family to the charitable organizations. Information on our school is available on the website. The water is too hot. As you all can see that we have used uncountable nouns in all these three sentences, which is money, information, and water. And that is why we have used singular verb in these sentences, which is. Let's see another rule of subject-verb agreement, which is we use singular verbs with collective nouns such as swamp, group, class, etc. This is because even though they talk about more than one person or animal, but they are described as one single unit or group. For example, the group meets every week. This class talks a lot. The swamp of bees is headed this way. In all these sentences, we have used collective noun, which is group, class, swamp. And that is why we have used singular verbs.